Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a tour of the Ponderosa Place. This stunning A-frame cabin is located near Donnelly, Idaho, and is just a short walk away from Lake Cascade. The cabin is surrounded by countless pine trees, and that makes it feel extra private and peaceful. This area is known for getting lots of snow, so it truly feels like a winter wonderland. As we step outside, you'll see that we have a patio area with a hot tub. We really enjoy taking in all the winter views from the comfort of the hot tub. The cabin also has a separate entrance on the side, making it convenient for guests to come and go. Inside, the living room is cozy and modern with comfortable seating. My favorite feature in the living room is the electric fireplace. It can easily be turned on with the touch of a button. I think this is a great alternative to traditional wood-burning stoves since it is easier for guests to use and is less of a liability and mess for hosts. Under the TV, you'll find some games and books, and these leather chairs are a perfect spot to unwind with a good read. The kitchen is equipped with everything you need to enjoy a home-cooked meal. There is a unique retro microwave and a coffee maker with plenty of coffee provided. A fun personal touch were the custom mugs with the Ponderosa Place logo on them. The dining room has a large wooden table, perfect for meals with family and friends, and has a modern chandelier above. On the main floor, there is one bedroom and one bathroom. The bedroom has some storage and more books to enjoy. The bathroom is stocked with towels and has a bathtub with a modern minimalist design. Upstairs, you'll find a desk with a huge window, the perfect spot for work or study. There are two bedrooms and another bathroom upstairs. The first bedroom is finished with forest green tones, which ties in really well to the surroundings. The second bedroom is the perfect room if you have kids. There are two small beds. These beds are awesome because another bed can be pulled out from underneath. So the room can actually accommodate up to 4 people. The upstairs bathroom has a beautiful shower equipped with these awesome soap dispensers. There is a modern vanity and another fun cabin book you can enjoy while doing your business. Overall, this cabin is a great place to stay for a cozy, private vacation or a fun and adventurous one. There are plenty of activities nearby: lakes, hot springs, restaurants, and even a ski resort. If you're interested in staying here, I'll leave a link down below, and thank you all for watching.